everybody! This is my first entry for our Europe vlog. For our boarding time, so mag-lounge muna kami and then
only 1 hour.
After nito, ilang hours tayo Abu Dhabi and then Abu Dhabi to Rome. Let's go! So, habang naghihintay, sibugin muna natin yung mga pagkain dito sa lounge. So, let's check kung ano food nila dito. Siomai. They have siopaw. Tita.
We're here in Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi. Ilang hours po ang stopover natin?
2 hours lang.
2 hours. Say hi, everybody. Mommy, say hi.
Hi. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good evening.
Tita. Oh, careful. Morning. Sobrang gutom na ako. Pero tatanungin ko na lang sila. May pagkain ba sa airplane?
Yes, naman.
Okay, so hindi na ako bibili dito. Ilang oras na kaming lumilipad? 17 hours na pala. Excited to see Rome. It's my first time in Rome. Ano kayang itsura?
Get ready to get camera. Get ready for the next part of your
Hi guys, good morning. We are here in Italy. So, andito tayo sa Da Vinci Airport. And from Manila to Abu Dhabi was 9 hours worth of travel. And then from Abu Dhabi to Italy was around 6 hours of travel. And that's it. I would like to welcome everyone to my official vlog. And we will be wandering Europe for 2 weeks. So, ang first agenda natin is Rome, Italy. Then, we'll go to Vatican. And then, we'll go to Switzerland. And then, Paris. So, we are really, really excited and super, super happy to be here because it's my first time. And I just wanted to share to everybody and to document this very special moment with my mom and with our friends. So, okay guys, so nasa Italy na kami. Ngayon lang namin na nanghap yung nanghapin yun na.
Parang nasa Pilipinas eh.
First impression sa airport ng Italy, paglabas mo amoy yosi. Yan. Pero dito naman okay. Weather is good, parang nasa Tagaytay lang. Ayan, ito. Meron silang sarili nilang Sky Ranch. Ayan. Dinala lang kami sa mga shopping outlets muna. So we could eat and shop. Pero syempre hindi kami magsha-shopping. Hindi ko lang sure dito sa kasama ko.
Hindi, bawal. Bawal gumastos.
We have friends from Canada. Hello! It's 1 o'clock, pero sa Philippines, 7 p.m. na.
Thank you, Lord.
So, kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. And nag-shopping muna si Mommy. So, dito siya sa The Bridge. So, naghahanap sila ng mga leather something. Ayan, di ba? Nagsha-shopping na siya. Ay! Ang ganda!
How much?
Do you like it, madam?
Yes!
Madam, do you like it?
You like that or this one?
Ano, kayo, both. Mabigat ko. Discount. Give us discount. Of course, the money.
Ayan, humingi siyang tawad. Tawad daw, tawad. So, I'm currently using DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Oo. Ako naman, I'm actually into this kind of bags as well. Kaya lang, based on my computation, it doesn't match my current budget cap. So, bahala ka dyan, Airmats. Ayokong gumastos. Basta malanghap ko lang yung hangin ng Italia. Okay na ako doon. Makakain ako ng pizza. Okay na ako doon. Grazie.
Grazie.
We bought the wallets from Italy. And now we're going to the tax
Refund.
so that the sukli will be goes to my
Me.
daughter. Shopping for more?
Yung sabi ko, yung gagastusin ko, yung mga tira-tira niya lang. Yung mga nakiklaim namin sa tax refund. Yun lang yung
That's for her.
gagastusin ko.
That's for her.
Hi guys! So, i-wrap up na natin yung day 1 natin. It's super pagod. See you! See you and thank you. We enjoyed a lot. Nag-shopping to ng madami. Kumain kami gelato. Sobrang sarap ng pizza.
Yes.
Hi guys, we're here at Vatican City and first impression mapanghe. Pero ang ganda. Oh my goodness, it's just so good. Sobrang ganda. So we are now at the heart of the Catholic Church, which is the Vatican City. And sobrang ganda! Sobrang ganda!
Beautiful girl.
To the vlog. Hi! So, after a long line, nakapasok na kami sa loob ng St. Peter's Basilica. Super... Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Wow. Wow, just look at that. Let's show them around.
Jesus Christ.
Wow guys, if you could just see, papakita namin sa inyo. Kakatapos lang namin sa loob ng St. Peter's Basilica. And super privileged and blessed to really see firsthand, especially yung mga works ni Michelangelo. And as a Christian, I know we have different kinds of denomination, but being in this place, especially Rome, is a really great privilege for me because I am a student of history and super interested talaga ako in knowing how the early church started. After Vatican, we decided to get some lunch here at the local restaurant. So, kasama namin actually puro mga Pilipino yan. Mga kasabay din namin sa tour. And it was so nice kasi we're along with our kababayans from Canada. So, bon appetit! And kakain na kami.
Italiano!
Risotto.
Croissant.
Sarap. Fettuccine.
Mura pa.
Bon appetit. Hi everybody. So, after mag-lunch, nag-souvenir shop muna kami kanina. Hindi ko na video kasi ang dami nilang binili.
Kaya ka binili.
Nakailang euro ka? The food is good. Souvenirs are good. Medyo mahal lang talaga dito sa Europe. Super dami daw pickpockets dito sa Italy. So far, safe naman kami sa Vatican. So, I can't assure that it's safe in Vatican, but we were just very mindful of the things. Yung mga hawak namin. Ganyan. Tingnan niyo sila.
Gastos!
Ayan. Thank you, Vatican. It was a nice day with you. Super enjoyed my tour here and sobrang ganda niya lang. As in, hindi ko siya ma-describe. Ayan o, sobrang ganda niya. As in, like, grabe. Ang ganda. Ang ganda mo, Vatican.